Hey guys, I picked up this little Leatherman multi-tool and I just got it a couple days ago, so I thought I'd do an unboxing and kind of first thoughts on it, and then later on I'll probably do a review. I do have a few things here to test it out just to see how it works. So let's go ahead and open it up. Open it up. It has the little multi-tool inside. I ordered this one in green. I'll set that down there. Here's the box. It comes with little instruction manual and everything, and a little card, 25 years. Alright, so this is the Leatherman Micra. I got this one because it has scissors instead of the little pliers. I just thought it'd be much more handier to have for me in my everyday carrier. I don't really have much use for tiny pliers. But let's open her up. And there's the scissors. As you can see, they're small, but they're not like the super small ones that you usually see. So these ones can do a little bit more cutting. They're very sharp. Just feel that they're very sharp. And let's see, has other tools that come with it. Is a bottle opener and a micro flathead screwdriver. Then you have a flat Phillips screwdriver, and then you have tweezers, which these actually feel like they would work pretty good. I don't know, bet you that can get some splinters out of your fingers. Close that up. These open and close really easy too. That's nice. On this side you have a fingernail file, an actual file, not just serrations cut in a piece of metal. A fingernail cleaner that has a pretty good little tip on it. Do good to clean your fingernails. And then we have a little, well, about 1.5 inch blade. This is 440 HC steel, so it's not super high quality steel, but it is pretty good for a small little blade like that. And it does have an edge on it, so that's good. And then we have a flathead, a normal size flathead. Close these back up. It does have a little ruler right here on the outside. It's like a 5-inch ruler, and it has a little key ring loop right there that you can put on your keychain. I'm actually going to carry this in my watch pocket of my pants because it just fits in there perfect. And that way it ain't banging around on my keys and it getting exposed to the elements and everything like that. So let's test a few of these things out and see how they work. I have some cardstock here, so we'll just yeah, cuts nice and clean. Yeah, that works pretty good. Alright, let's go find that knife blade again. Oh, wrong side. Try this knife blade out. Let's see how if this thing's sharp enough to cut paper. It's just advertisement paper, so It's not cutting it very well, but that just might be me. Might be the paper. Here, let's try this. That works. That was the first cut on that blade. Let's try the bottle opener now. Alright, so I went and bought a bottle of Coca-Cola. Let's see how this, I might have to, let me adjust this camera. This is a little tricky to do. Alright, let's try it out. There it goes. Might be a little fidgety, but could just be me. Alright. Yeah, that tastes like Coca-Cola, alright. But hey, it's better than having nothing. And sometimes these little flathead screws, they come in really good for glasses and stuff like that. And these tweezers. Anybody knows how handy tweezers can be for anything. And I'm pretty sure that these scissors would cut, you know, paracord, shoestring, take care of any little strings you have hanging off your clothes, anything like that. Cut some zip ties. And then this blade, you know, small little blade like this, you know, you can hand this to somebody that's not experienced with knives and they could use it, you know, and probably not hurt themselves. But you can open packages with this or any little thing. So sometimes little blades like this come in handy. And I'll put some specs down in the description because I can't really remember them offhand right now, so I'll put them down in the description. And yeah, this is unboxing and first thoughts video on the Leatherman Micra. Thanks and have a good day.